What's up, YouTube? I just want to get on here today and show my brand new truck that I got and put a built LS in it. Figure that'd be pretty cool, eh? So to start off, we get a 5.3. It's bored to a 5.7. We painted the block. We built all the insides. It's got Summit Pro Forged LS pistons. It had a problem with braking once it got the big cam, because you know how it has less vacuum. So I wired and installed a vacuum pump and ran it using that second battery tray that a lot of these come with, because they also make diesels. We have a Mishimoto trans cooler, because these 4L60s or 4L slippies are known to get pretty hot. But she's nice and cherry red. She's got some Speed Engineering long tube headers on her. We wired in this is a cat eye MAF sensor, because these GMT 900s have a bad MAF sensor with, like, they fail when they get hot, heat soaked. And it's just a rough country intake here. We got some Amazon headlights and some Gladiators. They're 33s. Could have fit 35s because I have no bumper. Awesome. But just went with 33s this time. They actually balanced out really, really good. It also has a 6-inch Skyjacker lift. We sandblasted the whole frame and repainted it black. See all that? It's got kryptonite hubs and kryptonite tie rod ends, and just some regular Napa inner tie rods. On the inside, we trimmed. We took this old leather off and put some new leather on, so looks pretty brand new in here. But you get that classic GMT 900 dash crack. Under here, you can see how nice and painted it is. It looks so good. But for exhaust, we're running those Speed Engineering headers. We got some V-Vans from Evil Engine Energy. This is a Summit Racing crossover, or X-Pipe, whatever, to some Black Widow neighbor haters. Comes out the back to 3-inch tips. But it's pretty daggum clean under here. It does have a front diff, but the previous owner did not gear it to 456s, and I believe tried to run it with 456s in the back and not in the front, and that absolutely tore up that front differential. So got to rebuild that soon. But yeah, this is my GMT 900 with a built LS. Just thought I'd show y'all. I think it's pretty cool. Throw in a little clip of how it sounds towards the end. Only thing I don't like, see, got some paint scuffs, but you get that on the big jobs. Yeah, that's my GMT 900.